Welcome to Viasat Internet. Here's what to expect during your Viasat installation. After you've ordered our service and scheduled the installation, a certified technician will come to your house to complete the install, which typically takes 2 to 3 hours. First, our technician will work with you to determine where the equipment should be installed. The dish typically goes on the side of the home, on the roof, or on a securely installed pole near the house. After you've agreed on a location, the Viasat technician will get to work, which may require drilling some holes in the outside of your home. Once the dish is installed and the technician has run the necessary cables neatly along the outside of the home, the technician will then begin setting up your modem inside. The technician will connect your Viasat Internet modem to a computer, initialize your service, and ask you to sign the electronic customer agreement. Once your internet service is working, your technician will show you how to access your account online to pay your bill, use the help center, and more. Most Viasat modems include built-in Wi-Fi, so you can connect all your devices, including smartphones and home appliances like thermostats, smoke alarms, and security cameras to the network. If you haven't ordered Viasat Internet yet, and you'd like high-speed internet installed at your own home or business, just talk to your local authorized retailer.